Hello, good morning. There are four types of production process. Number one, job shop production. Number two, batch production. Number three, mass production. And number four, continuous production. Characteristic of job shop production: high variety of products and low volume. Number two, use of general purpose machines and facilities. Number three, highly skilled operators who can take up its job as a challenge because of uniqueness. Number four, large inventory of materials, tools, parts. Detailed planning is essential for sequencing the requirement of each product, capacities of for its work center of all order priorities. An advantage of job production, which is variety of products can be produced because of general purpose machines and facilities. Operators will become more skilled and competent as each job gives them learning opportunities. Number three, full potential of operators can be utilized. And number four, opportunity exists for creative method and innovative ideas. And also there is some limitation of job production. The cost is higher due to frequent setup changes, high level of inventory at all levels, and hence higher inventory costs. Production planning is complicated. And number three is production planning is complicated. And number four, there is a larger space requirement. And the characteristic of batch production is number one, it has shorter production runs. Number two, plant and machinery are more flexible. Number three, plant machinery setup is used for the production items and batch inches of setup is required for processing for the next batch. Number three, manufacturing lead time and costs are lower as compared to job order production. Also, there are advantages of batch production. Number one, better utilization of plant and machinery. Number two, promotes functional specialization. Number three, cost per unit is lower as compared to job order production. Number four, lower investment in plant and machinery. And number five, flexibility and accommodate and process number of products. And number six, job satisfaction exists for operators. Also, limitation of batch production. Number one, materials handling is complex because of irregular and longer flows. Number two, production planning and control is complex. Number three, work in process inventory is higher compared to continuous production. And number four, higher setup costs due to frequent change in setup. Aside from that, there are characteristics of mass production. Standardization of product and process sequence. Number two, dedicate special purpose machines having higher production capacities and output rates. Number four, large volume of products. Number four, shorter cycle time of production and lower in process inventory, perfectly balanced production lines, flow of materials, component, and part and continuous and without any backtracking. Now, in production planning and control easy. Materials handling can be completely automatic. Also, advantage of mass production: higher rate of production with reduced cycle time, higher capacity utilization due to line balancing, less skilled operator are required, low process inventory. Manufacturing cost per unit is low. And also, limitation of mass production. Breakdown of one machine will stop an entire production line. Number two, line layout needs major change with the changes in the product design. Number three, high investment in production facilities. And number four, the circle time is determined by slowest operation. Lastly but not the least, the characteristic of continuous production are dedicated plant and require equipment with zero flexibility. Number two, materials handling is fully automated. Number three, process follow a predetermined sequence of operations. Component materials cannot be readily identified with final products. Number 5. Planning and scheduling is a written action. Some advantages of continuous production. Number 1. Standardization of product and process sequence. Number 2. Higher rate of production with reduced cycle time. And number 3. Higher capacity utilization due to the line balancing. Number 4. Manpower is not required for materials handling. It is completely automatic. Number 6. Person with limited skills can be used on the produced line. And number 6, unit cost is lower due to high volume of production. And lastly, the limitation of continuous production are flexibility to accommodate in process numbers of product does not exist. Very high investment for setting flow lines. Last, product differentiation is limited. Thank you and God bless.